Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake chocolate chip cookie bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and you want that softened to room temperature. A fourth a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour that I have right here, and I heat treated that. That's just putting it in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes because this is a no-bake recipe. So you might want to do that to prevent like E. coli. Then we have 1 can, which is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cups of mini chocolate chips. I had to add a couple big ones. I didn't have enough. And then for the chocolate topping, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you haven't heat treated your flour, you want to do that. And then you want to line a 9x9 baking pan with aluminum foil or parchment paper and set that to the side. All right, now we're going to combine our softened butter, our powdered sugar, and our brown sugar with an electric mixer until they are nice and fluffy. So that's about 2 minutes. Okay, now you just want to go ahead and beat in the vanilla extract. All right, now I added half of the flour and half of the sweetened condensed milk, and we are just going to mix that on low speed until it's combined. All right, now we're going to repeat that step with the rest of the flour and the rest of the sweetened condensed milk. All right, that looks great. So we are going to go ahead and fold in our 1.5 cups of mini chocolate chips. All right, our dough is ready to go into our pan. We're just going to press that using our hands, and it is going to be sticky, so you might want to flour them or spray them with cooking spray first. All right, it's time to cover up our bars and refrigerate them for at least 4 hours. All right, I just pulled the cookie dough out of the refrigerator. It was in there for 4 hours, but you could leave it up there to overnight. So now we are going to get busy on the topping. So I have my chocolate chips here. I'm going to put those in the microwave in 50-second increments and stir them each time. It will probably take about 2 minutes. All right, my chocolate is nice and melted. It only took 1 minute, so be sure you're checking that every 30 seconds, not 50. So now we are just going to spread this evenly on top of our bars. All right, my chocolate is spread on there as evenly as I could do it. So now we are just going to cover these back up, and we're going to put them back in the refrigerator for about 1 hour until the chocolate is firm. All right, my chocolate topping has all set up, so I just removed it from the refrigerator and the pan and just cut these into bars. They look so yummy. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. And you do want to store these in the refrigerator. All right, Taste Tester picked out his. Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.